Hi everyone, and thanks for joining us for this teaching today. I'm Chef Adam.
And I'm Susan, registered dietitian with Flick, and today we are going to talk about taste and flavor.
It's a little bit of culinary education, nutrition education, biology, and history. And what a better way to learn about all these things than through food.
So Chef, let's focus on the 5 basic tastes and try some foods that are examples of each. Combining these 5 tastes with our senses of smell, touch, and even sound, we create different and unique flavors in our food. Humans have used their sense of taste for thousands of years to better understand food, but taste doesn't work by itself. Flavor of food, which is different than taste, is a combination of taste, smell, touch, and sound, not to mention temperature and spiciness. Spiciness is not actually one of the 5 tastes. Spiciness works differently.
What are the 5 tastes?
Well, Lennox, the 5 tastes are sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami, or savory. Here we can see some examples of each of these. Sweet, you think of sugar, sweeteners. We also have some fresh fruit, some fresh berries, and honey. Salty, obviously we think of salt, olives, cured meat, and capers. Sour, you have lemons, oranges, other acidic fruits, vinegar, and even buttermilk and yogurt. Bitter, you think of citrus peels, grapefruit, bitter melon, and even bitter chocolate and cocoa. And umami, with savory, you have some savory Parmesan cheese, soy sauce, and even mushrooms is a great example. Did you know that in the beginning of the 1900s, it was thought that there were only 4 tastes? The umami taste was actually something like savory in Japanese that describes a kind of deliciousness in food.
But how do we taste?
Lennox, the taste buds on our tongues are what we allow us to taste. On an average, the human tongue has between 2,000 and 8,000 taste buds.
People used to think that different tastes were actually related to different areas of the tongue, but that's not true. How strongly we taste really has to do with the number of taste buds each person has. Kids have more taste buds than adults, which could be why grown-ups sometimes think of kids as picky eaters, when really, they may just be more aware of the taste of their food.
So it's so important as we taste foods differently and as we grow older, we keep trying new things. So it's not just about trying different foods, it's also about trying them prepared different ways. As I mentioned, putting them on pizza or other kid-friendly items. So cooking methods, combining different ingredients, is really how you can get people to be more adventurous with taste.
Let's go back to the senses for a second. I want to talk about how important smell is and how we experience food. Have you ever noticed that when you have a cold, food doesn't taste as good? Or maybe you don't have the same appetite? Let's try a little experiment. So please, everyone at home, feel free to join us. Grab a piece of sweet fruit.
Got it?
Now, pinch your nose and eat it while pinching your nose. Can you identify the flavor? Does it taste like how it usually tastes?
I get a sweetness, but I don't really know what it is.
So now, release your nose and take another bite. What do you taste now?
Wow, that's a sweet strawberry. How delicious.
So, you might taste that sweet piece of fruit tastes more like a strawberry or a banana, or whatever fruit you chose. So, does smell play a big part in the flavor of food?
Yes, it does.
Happy eating, and let's keep trying new things.
Continue to be food explorers.
Susan, let's taste a few more things.
You
How
know
about
I'm
some
into
fruit?
it.